Hi, welcome to Smart Digital Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to do the memory trend on the TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your mobile. Click on record. Upload the video. Tap on next. Tap on voice effects. You will see a list of options on the bottom. Select echo. Go back. Tap on sounds. Select a sound and tap on volume. Maximize the original sound to 200% and minimize the edit sound to 50%. Tap on done. Click on next. Once you have done it, click next and post it on TikTok and your other social media accounts. So this is the memory trend you have done. If this video is useful for you, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.